A huge 16 inches cross-cut capability. 10 inches carbide blade and an extending arm on the Delta dual bevel sliding compound miter saw provides you the versatility to take on the most demanding projects. Easily cut 6¼ inches crown and 5/2 standing base moldings. The saw's unique design operates in compact space compared to sliding miter saws with long rail systems. One-hand front miter controls with push-button miter detent override and front bevel release for quick, accurate alignment. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The patented extending arms reduce lateral movement of the cutter head, featuring a shadow guide cutting system. With a LED light illuminating the workpiece and the shadow of the blade indicating the exact cut line, the saw is designed to provide you with repeatability and the accuracy demanded by professionals. The Delta Cruzer 10 inches sliding compound miter saw uses military-grade aluminum frame members with 18 heavy-duty bearings for smooth cutting operation on an extremely long life. Its 15-amp motor, advanced engineering, and 5-year pledge establish this miter saw a durable and dependable tool that you can count on for many years. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Close quarters. This saw can operate in tight spaces and against a workshop wall. Number 2. Crown master. The Delta Cruzer makes perfect crown molding cuts every time. Number 3. Shadow guide cutting line projects a consistent and accurate cutting line on your workpiece. Number 4. Product dimensions. 29.5 inches depth by 22.5 inches width by 20 inches height. Weight, 55 pounds. Voltage, 120 volts. Blade size, 10 inches diameter. Arbor hole size, 5/8 inches. Speed, 4,000 RPM. Max cut thickness, 5.5 inches. Cord length, 7 feet. Number 5. One-hand front miter controls with push-button miter detent override and front bevel release for quick movement. 15-amp motor for powerful cuts and blade brake for safety. Number 6. Molded handle and the full-size trigger are comfortable for right or left-handed users. 15-amp motor for powerful cuts and blade brake for safety. Shadow guide cut line for repeatable accuracy. Number 7. Dual bevel 45 degrees left 45 degrees right with front bevel release and 7 positive bevel stops at the most popular angles and easy to reach lever override to move between stops. 50 degrees left miter 60 degrees right miter capacity with 10 miter detents and positive stops. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.